Ready? Go. Say we're at the Hampton Inn in Greensburg, Pennsylvania.
We're at the
Wait. Take a video of the whole thing. Get your... Wait, William. Wait, the guy has to get on too. Okay. You gonna watch the numbers? Yeah. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. This will make his day. He goes, I want to go to the hotel. I'm like,
you're free.
yeah, on the third floor, and that's the door. Now, okay, now we're gonna go back down to 1. Okay? Okay. Watch.
It's a basic elevator.
Who's it made by? It's got a 2,500 capacity. No, William, don't do that. That's the emergency phone. It's an Eastern elevator, Winbar, PA.
This is the phone.
And that is it. Tell him thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.
Okay,
There
stop
it
the video.
goes, and